Welcome, my great forex trader. Is your one and only Bosco FS. I welcome you guys in another new day, new opportunity, and let's cast some cool benches. Wow, market obeyed my yesterday analysis just as I predict that price will come down to this area of my interest. As you can see, price just touched this area of my interest and move up, create another high. And if you take this low here, sweep out this liquidity. Let me identify it with trade line. Sweep out liquidity. Okay, it sweep out liquidity. Sweep out liquidity, first liquidity and second liquidity okay. But as it stands now, this zone is not yet a strong zone because it has not changed character. It is still showing a what? A downtrend. Okay, it is still showing a downtrend. Now markets come down here, but it do not take this previous low here. Let me identify it with what? Another trend line. With low here. Now this is the current lower low here. Is current lower low. As you can see, market create what? Lower height, lower low, and lower height and what? Lower low. Now this is the what? The lower height and the lower low we have, and this low has sweep out liquidity. Now currently now market creates high here at this zone here, okay, at this other block here, and after that price pull down here, but it not do what? Take this low out, but rather it creates another height here, but this height do not do what? Do not take out the what? The previous height. Let me identify it with what? With trend line. It not take out this height here. So that means the market is ranging between this height here and this low here. Okay, now before I will take a decision in this trade, let me go towards daily time frame. Now looking at this daily time frame, you will see that market buyers are in control in the market. Okay, from here we have higher highs, higher low, higher height here, higher low, and higher height here, and higher low, and here higher height. That means market do what? Impulse and what? Correction, and another what? Impulse. Now we are expecting market to do what? Pull back or little bit and do what? And start moving up. Now if you look here, let me zoom it out completely. If you look here, you will see that we have a nice order block here. You will see this bearish candle engulf this bullish candle engulf this bearish what? Candle. And in this bullish candle we have what? Fair value gap here to here. Okay, now I map this area as what? Area of interest. I map this area as what? Area of interest, expecting market to pull back to this area of interest to cover this fair value gap. Now looking at what? 4 hours time frame, you will see that market is pulling down. Okay, market is pulling down to this area of my interest, and if you check here, we do not have any zone here in 4 hours time frame apart from this zone. Okay, and if you look at market, it seems like market is trying to create a what? A height and low, and this low now, if market breaks this low now, that means we are having what? Lower height and lower low, and lower height and what? Lower low. So we expect the what? The price to do what? To come to this zone. But if price we expect the price to break out this one. But if price break out this previous height here, we know that market is what is continue with what bullish trend. If market break this height here, we know that market has continued with what the bullish trend. Now let me go back to what the 1 hour time frame. Now in 1 hour time frame, you will see that market is kind of ranging within this height here and this low here. Let me remove this trend line within this height here and this low here. Now what is my expectation? Now I'm waiting for market to break this height here. If market breaks these two heights here, that means I'm going to map this area from here down to this place as what area of interest. I'll map this place as what my area of interest. Okay, but if market did not but break down this low here, then I will start looking for what sales opportunity. I will start looking for what sell opportunity, because this zone here is what a strong zone. This zone here have served as a strong zone in the sense that it sweep out liquidity. So if price break this low, it's now telling me that price will move down to this my second area of interest, which is here. In that area of interest in what? In daily time frame. So I'll be looking for my opportunity here. Okay, first of all, let me remove this. Okay, if price break out of this height here, I will do what? I will map this area as area of my what? Interest. Okay, now I'm going to leave the market and come back later and see what market we play out. One 27.45. 127.45. 0.745 times 3,082.35. Okay, I've placed reward ratio 3:1 reward ratio, and let's come back and see what the price has for us. Okay. Wow. Market close in profit. Wow, wow, wow. Nice one, nice one, nice one, nice one. Always stick to your what, your strategy. Please do well to smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the what, the notification button, so that anytime I upload this live trade, you will not miss out. It's your one and only Bosco FS signing out.